guys, hey again, this is part 2. If you didn't see part 1, go watch it because it's amazing. Just like my life. So now I think I'm gonna show you a little bit of a beauty vlog. What's this? Oh wow, that sounds like I was saying PewDiePie, but I was saying beauty vlog. So now I'm gonna go on the mountain and I'm gonna climb. Right now I'm in another area that it's very that is very grassy, and these rocks, and this is not so grassy, like rocks and a little bit of green. Yeah. So now I'm gonna climb the mountain. Okay. So right now I'm gonna climb the mountain. OMG! This is so hard and I'm gonna get all dirty right now. And it's so weird, I mean. Come on, let's do this. Let's do this, bro. Okay, let's calm down. Calm down. I'm on the top of the world. Just kidding, guys. I'm here. I'm right here on the mountain. And you know what? I see there a guide, and I'm gonna go over to him because I don't know nothing about this place. Let's do it. Hello? Can you give me a tour? Oh yeah, sure. I can. These rocks. I know. They kill myself. Yeah, I know. They kill ourselves. That's just really annoying. So what did you say? You need some help on it? Kind of. Yeah. So kind of yes. I need a tour right now because I don't know nothing about this, and I'm all 30. And can you please give me one? I mean tour, something. Please say yes. Oh, sure, I can give. I will be glad because right now no one really needs my soul. Oh. These rocks. Because right now it's kind of weird. I don't know why. I mean, it's just a little bit weird. No one wants my help. I'm just staying here, and it's kind of boring. So I'm pretty happy you want my help. Oh yeah, that's. Oh, these rocks. Rocks. Okay, so here is the prettiest rock on the world. I mean, it looks like quartz, but it's not quartz. It kind of looks like quartz. No, it's not 100%, but it kind of. I mean, here we have a tree that the sorry for that. I know you're sick. It's no problem. So here's a tree that never grew. I mean, it grew kind of big, but you can see it's a little bit destroyed. I mean, never grew like a normal tree. I don't know what's the problem with that, but it's an attraction here. Here we have a place that looks very much like the Pisa Tower because it is kind of, you know, like the Pisa Tower, and that's why this is kind of famous here, because it's kind of weird because it's like a replica that wasn't to be a replica. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it is. This is the biggest tree in the world. You can see this right now. It's the biggest one. No one really knows about this because, you know, hey, here's the tallest tree in the universe. Like, no one really cares, but it's pretty cool because it's kind of different from this one and normal trees. I mean, you can see this. It's so big. Yeah, I see it's very, very big, and I'm so curious, why is this so big? Here it is, like a rock or something. Man, it's pretty. Quite a pretty view. I'm gonna do a little dance right now. I'm gonna do a little dance right now. I'm gonna do a little dance right now. Sorry, I'm crazy. Sorry. Ah. Yeah. I'm gonna go from this angle. I'm gonna go down the stairs like normal people would do, or on the slide. No, kind of. That is what you need to do. Okay. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm really fine. Don't need to ask. Okay. So this is this place, blah blah blah. That's it. Okay, cool. That's pretty cool. The guy was cool, but he didn't know. He didn't say many things about this place. How he was supposed to. I mean, I don't want to be friends with him. I just want a tour. Oh, damn, that's not so hard. So guys, another beauty vlog. Woo! So that okay, that was weird. Really weird, man. Okay. So that's the end of this vlog. I'm really happy with this because I met some twins. I really liked this place and I still like this. I want to visit it again, but you know, I saw this once. I'm gonna save some money for another expedition maybe. And if you liked this expedition too, please be sure to leave a like, a comment, and something else. Ooh. Bye. 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 Bye.